Hi all, this is Gail. This is week 4. Welcome. This means you're halfway done, so that's not a bad thing. Um, you have another paper due, and this is just how it goes every week from here on out. You're building a project, and all these papers go in to your final project. It's much better than just having the final project due and not being able to kind of schedule it along the way and make sure that you reach your benchmarks, and that's what we're doing. So this next paper is your solution description, and really just follow the instructions on the assignment. I have it up here on the screen. All of these, the proposed solution, organizational culture, expected outcomes, and method to achieve outcomes, all of those are going to be headers within your paper, so it's organized. And that's really one of the best ways to get a good grade on this is organize your paper. Show me where you're putting the information that is the criteria of the assignment. I can go directly to it. I can check the box. Hey, you answered this question and be done. And I don't have to go in there and really microanalyze and try to find it, because always when I do that, I find way more than you want me to find. So organize it in that way, and then just go through each little question. Describe the proposed solution for intervention. And when you kind of get at a block and you don't know what this is, go back to your research. You are basing your project on evidence. You're basing it on other research studies that are out there. So go back to that evidence, see what they say, and just reword it. You're paraphrasing it, and then cite it. It's evidence based. You don't have to come up with any of this really on your own. Your project may be a little bit different than the ones you're mirroring, no doubt. So just put that in there. But you're just gonna bang, bang, bang all the way through this. And I know that makes that that oversimplifies it, but there's a lot of detail in here as to what you need to address. There's lists of things that you need to talk about. On this one where it says develop methods to achieve outcomes, develop an outline of how the outcomes will be achieved. And it says list any specific barriers. So I would just do bullet points and I'd list any barriers that you are looking at that need to be assessed and eliminated. And then any any limitations. Just put those all as bullet points and then put a paragraph underneath explaining how you're going to address each one. Or you can put it underneath each bullet point, however you want to do it. So good luck on your paper. I hope you know by now you can call me and I'll help you through it. So far everybody's doing really well on their DQ posts. I'm getting ready to grade the next paper here this afternoon. No promise on when grades are going to be out, but I'm going to dive into them. It's snowing here in Montana, so nothing else to do. I might as well grade papers. So good luck to you guys. As you know, I'm a student too, and I just opened up my discussion question for this week, and I don't know, I didn't know this was coming. It's an all new class. And for the discussion question, this professor is requiring us to have 3 scholarly resources, none of which can be already listed in the class. They have to be brand new. And then 3 multimedia components. So we have to take images and videos and plug it in there and then do the APA on figure 1, figure 2, all this stuff. And I was blown away. I was ready just to write a few quick paragraphs and be done with this. So I've been writing all morning, and she calls it a research discussion question. It ended up being about 800 words with about 8 references. So I am struggling as well as you guys, and I'm sorry. I know that you guys are almost at the end of your class, and that's the best pep talk I can give you is just push through and get done. And I'll help you any way that I can, okay? Take a deep breath and plunge ahead. Get another paper done. Take care. Bye-bye.